everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to join Etoro with Facebook. To get started, let's open Etoro app. Here click on continue button. It will navigate you to this interface. Now tap on sign up with Facebook. Now it will navigate you to this browser, and here it will show you your Facebook ID as continue as your ID name. Tap on it. Now choose your username and tick both of the options and click on create account. Here select all images with file hydrant to verify. Select the images and then tap on verify. So you have successfully signed in Etoro with Facebook. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.